Hello, and welcome to Excel High School's Adult Diploma Program Details video. We're going to take a look at some of the most common questions that we get from our prospective students here for our Adult High School Diploma program. And some of those questions will be included on this first page, and we have a second page of common questions as well. And these are questions like, who qualifies to enroll here at Excel? And is it accredited? And can I transfer any credits that I previously earned into Excel? And how long does it take? How much does it cost? And is it a diploma or is it a GED? And can I work on my classes at any time? And what if I have all or most of my credits already? Well, let's start with the first one. Who qualifies to enroll? Anyone who's 18 or older, anywhere, is welcome to take classes with us here at Excel. As long as you have access to a reliable internet connection and a computer, you're able to take our classes towards earning a high school diploma. Is this accredited? The short answer is yes. Excel High School does have a regional accreditation, which is the highest level of accreditation. That's going to ensure that you can take our diploma to any college or university, any branch of the military, or into the workforce, so you can meet whatever your goals are, just like you would with a diploma from your local high school. And we would encourage you to look more into accreditation to verify that for yourself by checking out our accreditation page. There's a lot of information and links on there to help you verify our accreditation. Can I transfer in any credits that I've previously earned? Yes. If you've done some high school in your past, regardless of how long ago that is, you can transfer those credits over to us and basically pick up where you left off. Schools are supposed to hang on to your credits, so they should still have them, and you can transfer them over to us and speed up the timeline of your program. Now, with that, how long does it all take? Well, that depends on a number of things, since it is a self-paced program. However, expect to take about 3 to 6 months for each grade level that you have left to do from high school. Students have anywhere between 2 and 12 months to finish up the 6 classes that we assign for that grade, and we typically find that it takes about 3 to 6 months for our adult students. How much does it cost? The cost of the school is $99.90 per month for 10 months, up to that max total of $999. If you're here longer than the 10 months, your account will be considered paid in full and you'll be able to continue working while making no additional payments. If you're here for less than 10 months, perhaps 5 months, then you'll only make 5 payments of that $99.90 per month. So depending on how quickly you're working and how many credits you have left to finish, that will determine how much your total program will be. And is this a diploma or a GED? This is an accredited high school diploma, just like you would receive from your local high school. Can I work on my classes at any time of day? Yes, you're welcome to work on your classes anytime, anywhere, any day. If you'd like to work on your classes Saturday night at 2 in the morning, you're welcome to do that. And what if I have all of my credits or most of my credits, such as if I'm missing just 1 or 2 from back when I was in high school? Per our accreditation, attending a new school does require to have a 6-class minimum requirement, which represents 1 school year. So expect to take at least 6 classes here at Excel, regardless of how many credits you may have already earned. Continuing on to some further questions that we commonly receive relates to what are the classes that I'm going to take? Well, we mentioned that there's a 6-class minimum requirement, and those 6 classes will comprise of at least the 4 core classes and 2 electives. And these core classes come from the core subjects of English, math, science, and social studies, as well as 2 elective courses. Those will be the first 6 classes that you'll take here at Excel. The goal for students is to reach the 21.5 credit minimum requirement for graduation, where 1 credit is 1 class. So you can see that to graduate, students need 4 total English classes worth 4 credits, and 3 math credits, 3 science, 3.5 social studies, and 8 total electives as broken down here in the table. Because every student is going to need at least this 6-class minimum requirement, students are welcome to get started and enroll even before we receive their transcripts. We'll get you started into these first classes, and we can receive your transcripts at some point after that. Some of the other common questions that we're going to cover are, when can I expect to start? And what if I have questions within my classes? And do I need a computer or can I use my phone perhaps? And when do my payments come out? And lastly, how do I enroll? Well, you can expect to get started the next business day after you enroll. Upon completing the enrollment process and making that first month's payment, we'll send you a welcome email with how to access your classes the next day. And what if I have questions within my classes? Well, we do have instructors who are all qualified within their fields to be able to help answer those questions for you. Simply send them a message within your class and they'll be able to help you out. And do I need a computer? Yes, you will need some kind of computer provided by yourself. A phone or tablet won't be sufficient to be able to access all the functionality of the Excel High School classes, so you will need some sort of laptop or desktop computer to work on your classes. Some common choices for students are Chromebooks, Windows laptops, and Mac laptops. And after I do enroll, when will my payments come out? Well, whatever day you enrolled, such as the 15th of the month, the following month on the same day is when your next payment will come out. So the 15th of the following month, if you were to have enrolled on the 15th. Excel High School has open enrollments. You're welcome to enroll anytime throughout the year. And lastly, how do I enroll? Well, if the Adult High School Diploma program is the right program for you, then whenever you're ready, you can enroll right through our website. There's an Enroll Now button that will walk you through the enrollment process, and then keep an eye on your email for that welcome email that will send you the next business day. If you do have further questions, feel free to give us a call or use our online chat feature to help answer your specific questions, and we look forward to working with you.